Subscribe TechDude YouTube channel to get latest technology videos.
Hi guys, what's up? This is your Tech Dot. Today I will explain Corsair HS series studio gaming headphone set. The specifications, what are the features? This microphone as audio drivers has been tested evaluated for crystal clear communication, outstanding source, crystal clear, especially 250 my speaker drive bring you super sound quality and optimize quality and easily detach your use on to go. This Corsair epic surrounding sounds H60 series USB adapter unlocking visual 7.1 surrounding sounds on PC, delivering the impressive multi-channel positions audio that put into the middle of the actions. Corsair multi-platform compatibility using on PC, Xbox One, PS4, Net and Switch and mobile devices. 7.1 surrounding sounds only available on PC. Corsair easy control, easy access on ear, volume and mute control for adjustment on this file. This is the mic on off control microphone, and this one is the volume up and down rolling this wheel. The Corsair Intelligent Control Ultimate Possibility. This Corsair IQ software enabled to custom audio equalizer settings and sidetone controls and visual surrounding sound. The content. This Corsair contents and specification package contain HS60 surrounding gaming headset, USB 7.1 surrounding sound adapter, warranty card including the technical specifications, headphones frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz, headphone battery life is not applied, headphone sensitivity 100 dB plus or minus 3 dB, headphones wireless range is not applied, impedance of 32 ohms on kilohertz, headphone type wired, headphone contains 3.5 mm analog jack, headphone driver 50 compatibility of this headphone connected all devices PC, Xbox One and PS4, net and switch and mobile devices may be required. Microsoft adapter, Microsoft Word sold separately. Microphone impedance is 2.2 kilo ohms and microphone type and directional noise cancelling. The microphone frequency response 100 Hz to 10 kilohertz. Microphone sensitivity minus 40 dB into plus or minus 3 dB. Please subscribe my TechDot channel. Please like my TechDot channel. Thanking your TechDot. Please subscribe.